Evac in 30 minutes.
Got it. Sir, what are you doing here? Final egress has commenced. You need to leave.
No. No, I think I'll stay. Just a while longer.
Is something wrong? What are you staying here for?
I had a mission. Just finishing up here.
Is this where you live?
Oh no. You could say I'm just passing by. You? What are you doing here?
Oh, we are from the news. We were hoping to find. Well, we weren't quite sure what we were hoping to find, but we hoped it'd be good. And we found you.
Doves. You won't find any here. Then again, I'm searching for ravens.
Are you one of us?
No, I'm not. I've been here as an observer. Searching.
Searching for someone, something, someone you left behind.
I had a target. An academic from the defense laboratory.
So, you're a hitman. What happened?
Yes. I guess we still have time. Might as well tell you. Nothing more than the usual assignment. Easy in, easy out. Locate and terminate sort of thing. Then fast egress on doomsday. She seemed so fragile, so easily breakable. I had found her so quickly as well. Another raven to be done with. Can ravens ever turn to doves? I don't understand what was so captivating about looking through that looking glass. Her helplessness and my power. Knowing that I had everything I could see through that looking glass right under my grip. I've done this before. Before putting a bullet into the heads of scoundrels who tortured, captured militia or abused their wives. This was different.
So you hesitated?
Yeah. Not cool. Not for a soldier.
But what you're doing now, do you really think that is cool?
No. But the frailness, the normalcy, it's also relieving. There's more than that. I ventured down there a few times. Oh, thanks. But I knew I couldn't compromise my objective like that. I knew I had to do what I came out here to do. I knew I had to kill the raven, even if she was a dove. I couldn't do it. I couldn't pull the trigger. I thought I couldn't do it. Did I take the shot willingly? Or was it an accident? And what is the better of the two? Killing someone and bringing glory to your country? Or saving a life which has a potential to kill millions? Have I betrayed my purpose?
You were following orders.
Why do I feel this sense of loss? I may have fulfilled my duty, but
It's time to go, sir. You're coming with us.
I think I'll stay. A raven will always remain a raven. Classes are fixed. I may have killed a dove, and I need to atone for that.
Maybe, but we have orders too.
Raven 3 to HQ. Raven 7 has not been compromised. Performing extraction now.